Alright, so I wanna color some textiles. I have this Nitor All-in-One textile color and it's black, so this goes to the washing machine and the instructions are so you're supposed to open the bag and put it in the washing machine with the clothes you are going to color. And I had some clothes that I would like to have in black, so I have these. I'm not sure because different fabrics react differently in the with the color. So these are like Adidas pants, like not like your regular track pants, because this material actually like stops wind and such. So I will try and make these black. So these are good when motorcycling, so they kind of stop a little bit of wind. And this like a regular men's shirt, collar shirt. So okay, and this textile actually should be alright, because let's see. So yeah, it's cotton, so should be actually perfect for this color. And then I have this scarf, which I want in black because it goes well with my leather jacket. So yeah, I use this when motorcycling also. So this, and also one like this tube scarf thingy. I want this also in black color. So yeah. Okay, here we are besides my washing machine. So I will have to check it out once and for all. So okay, cut the bag open and place it into the washing machine without emptying it, and then put the clothes in. Okay, pretty straightforward. So first things first, gotta open the bag like so. Okay, so the insides, it's this like coarse charcoal like substance. So okay, there it goes, the bag, then the tube scarf, then this shirt goes in there as well, and then there is pants. Oh, I have to check the pockets first. Okay, nothing in there, good. So there it goes as well. Lofty placement, so I hope it helps somewhat. And then the scarf, I'll open it up a little bit and there it goes. Okay. Then just close the lid. I have to check it, what's the program should be. So 40 Celsius, and do I need the yeah, it should be with the normal setting, I guess. So what's that? So maybe cotton 40 Celsius, but I don't have that. So is it like, oh okay, cotton 40 Celsius there. Oh, there. Okay, then just start it, I guess. Do I have everything in? Yeah, okay, let's go. See you on the other side. Okay, not yet. Whoop, whoop. Okay, let's watch for a while. I wanna see if the color changes. So the water comes in. I can see some water pouring into the washing machine right there. Okay, I think the most interesting part is when it starts rolling and we're gonna see if the color starts to take over or not. Not yet. So it takes forever. I'm not sure how long will this washing program take, but I hope it's not like 3 hours or something, because you know that would be a long wait. Okay, maybe now rolling. Maybe. Yes. Okay, there's the bag actually. You can see the bag jumping right there, and we can see the water is taking color.
Oh no! My fabrics are taking the stains!
There's a possibility that the track pants are some synthetic material that doesn't take the color well, or then it will. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Maybe the tube scarf doesn't take color as well. I can see something like really white there. Oh, it must be the bag. Yeah, it is. Okay, so it kind of rolls like this for an hour or two, so okay, so the washing machine has stopped, so now we see the results. Okay, this is kind of exciting. Let's see. So, first item is the cotton fibered collar shirt. Actually, it's like pretty great actually. So this was bright red with some blue squares. Now it's like really dark. It's not totally black, but okay, pretty great. So kind of like that. Then the Adidas track pants. So these actually didn't take almost none of the color, only the insides took some. So the insides are now gray. They used to be white. So as we can see, the synthetic fibers don't take any of the color, some discoloration, but I think I can get the discoloration off by washing them with the regular like detergent. Okay, so then the next item is the scarf. Okay, so I'm kind of pleased with this one, since it used to be like this beige color, so now it's some parts of it are really black and some parts are like this gray color, almost like some like brownish tint. So not bad. Kind of pleased with this. Okay. And then this actually yes. And as we can see, this is also like this tube scarf. So this is synthetic fiber. It won't take any color. Some like residual fibers from the other clothes. So this is not color, it's actually like residual fibers. So as we can see, no coloration there. So with cotton you can get interesting results, and I think with like re-dye I could get even more like darker result. Okay, I don't know if the camera actually gives any like justification to the end results, because for my eye it looks really a lot darker than this in the camera. So okay, and I think that was it. So okay, results: use cotton if you want some color to stick. Synthetic fibers, pretty much useless to try to color them. So okay, that's about it.